Daily markup for Euro USD for Friday the 16th of Feb. This is the daily chart. We are bearish. We've had a break of structure here, after which we've had a pullback. We've pulled back into this strong area of supply from where we've reacted, and now that we've closed below this, I expect that the daily pullback leg is now over and we're now ready to kind of target this week swing low. So as far as the daily is concerned, I think we've now we got a bit of a reaction from here. We don't know whether this is just a sweep of liquidity and where the price will pull a little further deeper into this and then come down. But in any case, we are now looking at targeting this. So whatever we get in terms of a strong supply, we look to kind of go down from there. This is some kind of a supply zone. Is it a strong zone? We can't really say for sure. It has definitely caused a break of significant structure. This is the internal break of structure that has happened, and when we say a break of structure, we need a candle body close. So definitely this is the structure which has caused the candle body close below these two, but this could also mean a sweep of liquidity and probably price goes higher, but then there's no other unmitigated clean daily zone apart from the one right on top over here. So I would think that probably price is now ready to kind of come down from here. And once we kind of flip this zone, then whatever, so when I say when we flip this demand, what I mean is that we could probably do something like this, and when this happens, then whatever supply that forms over here would be like a really good zone to play shorts from. So then when price kind of pulls up over here, I would just look at taking shots right down to this weak swing low. But that's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. Obviously, the 4-hour is also bearish. We had a break of structure over here, and after the break of structure, we can expect price to kind of pull up. It has already come and pulled up into this embedded 4-hour supply, which is inside the daily supply. But I'm also very well aware of the fact that there's this huge imbalance that exists over here. So price might just look at going a little higher. And in any case, this is a 4-hour break of structure, and we would expect like a pullback to happen, and it could be like a deeper pullback. But considering that this is some kind of a daily zone, I do think that price would probably want to come down a little. That it would probably like to from here come down a little more, and then we get this deeper pullback perhaps, but of course nothing can be said with any surety. Our job is just to respond to how the market really plays out. So that's where we are. We've had a break of structure. We can expect a pullback. Is this the start of the pullback as far as the 4-hourly structure is concerned? Well, we've had a change of characters happened over here, but I would definitely need to see a break of structure. So to me, the pullback hasn't started because this is my internal structure, and I need price to kind of close above this to say that okay, the 4-hour pullback is in progress. And before that, obviously the M15 should turn bullish. So let's go on to the M15. The M15 at the moment, this is where we are. We've had this is our swing high, swing low. We've had a break of structure, after which the price is kind of pulling up. In fact, I can now put my pretty little circle here and say that this is my M15 swing low, and this is my weak swing low. Why? Because everything is bearish at the moment, and I expect that this will be taken down. For that to happen, I'm looking at some kind of a this is the structure over here that has probably some good supply still left over here. It has inducement in front of it. It did not well, if you count all this as liquidity, well, it did sweep liquidity. So yeah, that's a decent zone. So probably, price might just, pull up into this and then go down further. That's one likely scenario. But we also know that, we pulled into this strong 4-hour supply, and I really don't see any. There's just been one clean single drop from here. Price has kind of pulled up into this one, after which we've come down, but this hasn't really taken out anything. I wouldn't consider this as an internal break of structure, so this is just kind of losing a little bit of steam, is what I could classify this as. But I suspect that, we might just take this out and go into that M15 supply zone, which is over here. So I think this is something that might happen, and we might just take this out and then kind of look at coming down. So these are the two possible scenarios, but we'll wait and see. Also, I think today we have some heavy news happening at 13:30. That's when New York opens. So yeah, just be a little cautious and trade mindfully. This is where we are. London is about 22 minutes away from opening. So if we, I don't know, if we kind of sweep these lows and then we get some kind of a bullish move with a little bit of momentum, then I would probably look at longs to get in here. But of course, it'll depend upon, what is the kind of momentum we're seeing and all of that. But in general, I would still prefer shots, but let's see how this really plays out. May the markets be with you.